Today, we are going to talk about morph cut. The word morph comes from metamorphosis, describing a gradual change from one state to another. Morph cut in Adobe Premiere Pro means to smoothly transition or blend between two video clips or frames, making a change in the footage appear more seamless and gradual. Morph cuts are often used to remove jump cuts between different shots in a video. Typically, morph cut is primarily used in interview video, like the one I have prepared. As you can see, a man turns his head and then looks back at the camera. If I cut out part of the shot in the middle and connect the two ends, it creates a jump in a time, called a jump cut. Morph cut is used to smooth out these jumps. To use morph cut, go to the video transition and apply the morph cut effect. This will make the video transition smoothly, like connecting seamless video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.